Welcome to this technical support how-to video guide. Today we'll show you how to change the flow direction on a K33 flow meter. In order to do this job, you will require a crosshead screwdriver. Here is a K33 flow meter. To check the current flow direction, look on the back of the meter. There is an embossed arrow which indicates the direction of flow. This one is currently set up to go from right to left, as indicated by the flow direction arrow. If we want the flow to go the other way, from left to right, we need to turn the meter through 180 degrees to change the orientation of the arrow. However, what this means is that the actual face of the meter will be upside down. To change this, first of all remove the reset knob from the body of the meter. Then, using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the four corner screws that hold the cover to the body of the meter. When this is done, you should be able to remove the front cover from the body of the meter. See, there are two screws holding the counter assembly to the body of the meter. Using the crosshead screwdriver, undo the right hand screw and completely remove the left hand screw. This will enable the counter assembly to be lifted out of place. You should now be able to see a ring of 8 screws holding two parts of the body of the meter together. Using the crosshead screwdriver, undo each of these 8 screws. When this is done, the two halves that make up the body of the meter should separate. Take the lower half with the arrow and orientate the arrow in the flow direction that you want it to be. All you have to do now is reassemble the meter following the same steps in reverse. Put the two halves of the meter back together and then replace the 8 screws that hold the two parts together. Be careful not to over tighten the screws. When all 8 screws are back in place, put the counter assembly back in place too. When the counter assembly is back in place, replace the front cover, tighten the 4 corner screws, lastly, replace the reset knob. Job is now finished and the flow orientation has been changed from right to left to right.